Hi, I'm Rebecca Miller with Midwest Technical Institute, and I'm here today to present the MTI WQAD Score Standout of the Week to Payton Brown. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Now, Payton, to start, for the record, if you could just go ahead and state your name, your high school, and your sport.
Payton Brown, Rockridge High School, and softball.
Okay, I just have a few questions for you. What's the best part about playing softball?
Playing softball has really given me a true family. I am an only child, but playing on this high school team has given me like a bunch of sisters and a couple extra parents if you include the coaches, and I think the true culture around our team has really given me an extra family.
Awesome, that's nice to hear. What's your biggest motivator in life, both on and off the field?
My biggest motivator definitely has to be that relationship that I have with my team. Having that close relationship makes me want to push harder for myself so I can succeed for them, as well as pushing them to be better so they can succeed later.
Nice. And what are your plans after high school?
I plan to attend Illinois State and play softball and continue my academic career.
Great. What's been your proudest moment on the field and off the field?
My proudest moment was last year winning state in the 11 innings. It just showed our true heart and endurance and just the true motivation that our team has pushing through the 11 innings to win a state championship.
Amazing. Sounds like a great time. How has being an athlete made you a better student, and how has it helped you grow as a person?
Softball has given me so many more skills than just the little hands-on, the catching, throwing, pitching, all of that. It's shown me I need to be dedicated and how to be hardworking and commitment and just a huge list of things that I can go on and on explaining.
Nice. Okay, last question for you. If you could give freshman athletes in your sport one piece of advice, what would it be?
The time goes fast, so use every little bit of it as experience. I mean, you have to enjoy every last bit because even the hard practices, the late nights, the hard nights, the bad games, all of it matters in the end, and it's just a whole bunch of great memories.
Nice. Well, thank you so much, Payton, and congratulations again.
Thank you.